Hey viewers! Are you looking to cut weight and put on some muscle? A high-protein diet can help you build muscles and lose fat at the same time. And for that, you don't just need to rely on meat and eggs. For vegetarians and vegans, there are many plant-based protein sources. So if you are someone who would prefer to get their protein from veggies than from animal products, then these 12 high-protein vegetables are exactly what you need. Number 1. Edamame. Talk about the healthiest appetizer ever. Just a cup's worth of edamame or cooked soybeans packs a whopping 18 grams of protein. If you normally only eat edamame at your local sushi restaurant, it's time to start enjoying it at home. It's packed with healthy plant protein, vitamins, and minerals. Number 2. Green peas. Although, yes, technically peas are part of the legume family, many people eat them as they would other high-protein vegetables. And we're all for it. These tiny green beans will not only tone your muscles with over 8 grams of protein, but they'll also provide 7 grams of satiating fiber, all for a mere 125 calories. Adding non-starchy veggies like peas to your diet can help you lose inches of belly fat. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach contains a copious amount of protein compared to other veggies. It was Popeye the Sailor Man's favorite for a reason. Bursting with nutrients like zinc, phosphorus, vitamin B1, and choline, spinach is full of the good stuff. Zinc is especially important for the immune system to fight off viruses and bacteria, and choline helps process fat and cholesterol. Plus, it's well known for being one of the best plant-based sources of iron. Number 4. Black beans. On top of providing 16 grams of protein per cup, black beans are also packed with heart-healthy fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin B6, and a range of phytonutrients. You can absolutely make a meal out of them alone, but they're also easy to slip into almost any dish, including soups and stir-fries. Number 5. Kale. We're pretty sure you've heard about kale and its reputation as a superfood, and this is for good reasons. Aside from the pretty decent amount of protein it provides, kale is also high in fiber and the incredibly powerful antioxidant vitamin A. Vitamin A protects your eyes from age-related deterioration, can lower your risk of certain cancers, and reduce acne breakouts. Number 6. Artichokes. Like many other vegetables on this list, artichokes are packed with protein, fiber, and many other nutrients. They can be enjoyed canned or fresh, and the most surprising of its asset is a unique form of fiber called inulin, which is one of the most available types of prebiotics, the food that fuels healthy gut bacteria. Artichoke is a flavorful, earthy veg that definitely deserves a spot on your plate. Number 7. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts land a pretty good spot on our list as they provide 4 grams of protein per cup. But that's not all the vegetable is capable of. A member of the cruciferous family, Brussels sprouts are praised for their preventive properties when it comes to heart disease and even cancer. This is due to sulfur-rich compounds which activate cancer-fighting enzymes in our bodies. Number 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of those high-protein vegetables that goes above and beyond the call of nutritional duty, delivering a good dose of 4 grams of protein per cup. Broccoli also provides a full day's supply of vitamin C, along with a good amount of vitamin K, fiber, and a whole lot of calcium and potassium. Calcium is key in bone health, while potassium plays an important role in balancing electrolytes and blood pressure. Number 9. Asparagus. On top of providing 3 grams of protein per cup, asparagus boasts other nutritional qualities as well as a subtle flavor that pairs well with almost any main protein or vegetable. Best eaten in the spring or summer months, asparagus is teeming with minerals like folate and chromium. We require folate in trace amounts, which improves insulin function and is directly involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Number 10. Red potatoes. Red potatoes are packed with 7 grams of protein per large potato, but what makes them special is their high levels of dietary fiber and vitamin B6, which promotes the metabolism of protein. Baked, mashed, or roasted with other veggies, red potatoes are that rare combination of crowd-pleasing and healthy. Number 11. White mushrooms. All types of mushrooms have a good amount of protein in them. But white mushrooms have the most, almost 4 grams per cup, and they happen to be some of the most ubiquitous. Along with protein, mushrooms are packed with B vitamins and vitamin D, which is a nutrient that many people do not get enough of. Number 12. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes contain 5 grams of protein per large potato, and they work with nearly any meal, from breakfast smoothies to gut-friendly dinners. Sweet potatoes are also rich in beta-carotene, which promotes healthy vision, skin, and immune systems. Protein is a key component of a healthy diet, and while you can certainly get protein from meats, cheeses, and other food items, some of the best protein sources are vegetables. In addition to being easier on your wallet, these veggies tend to be loaded with other nutrients, which some of those other foods may lack. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up, and now go ahead and watch any of the 2 videos on your screen to learn more about your health and wellness.